Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to show you a crypto earning bot in the Telegram, which is provided by none other than Pavel Durov, who is the owner of Telegram its own. So you can understand how powerful this project is. Without wasting any time, let's start our today's video. How can you join this bot and why you should join this bot as early as possible? Because this bot is same like docs. If you are working in Telegram bots, you can hear that docs given us so many profits, like many people made around $5,000 and much more. So don't miss this project. If you missed already docs, this project will be the next docs. So let's start. First of all, you will get this bot link in the description box. I will put the link on the description box. You can just click and come to this bot. Then click on open. Here you can see a open button in the bottom side. Then click on start. Let's start the bot. It will count your account, how much you have joined, how much you have used Telegram, how long you are a user of Telegram, and it will give you a you can say a token balance, which is also same like docs. If you have worked on docs, it works like same like this, so you can understand. So here you can see the roadmap. If you are a Notcoin user, you will get some coins. If you are docs user, you will get some coin, and if you are hamster combat user, you will also get some coins. So there is a combination of three previous airdrops, so you can understand how much powerful this project is. And if you are a new Telegram user, you will also get some coins, don't worry. And you can also increase the coins. I will teach you how you can increase this. First of all, here you can see I have only 8,000 Paws. The coin name is Paws, and it will be listed soon in the Gate.io and other big exchanges like Binance, because these projects are very strong. That's why I am telling that, because you can say that Pavel Durov, who is the owner, and the marketing manager is Vector, Ton marketing manager, and he's supporting this project hardly. So you can easily understand that this project will be listed in various kind of exchanges, crypto exchanges. So how you can increase these coins? First of all, click on friends. Click here. Then you will get your invite link. You can invite your friends, and you can get up to 10% of your friends income. Then click on earn. Here you can earn some free coins extra. How you can earn? Just click on the tweet button. Here you will get a tweet button. Click on start. Then it will be go to the X, which is Twitter, and then post the link on the Twitter and come back to the bot again. Then click on claim. You will get your coin. Then click on follow button. You will be pop up on the their community. You can here you can see that they came on the Telegram around 1 week ago, and now they have almost 7.8 million users. So you can say that this project is almost viral, and this project will give you a decent profit very soon. So second, click on check. After click on check, it will be pending, and after they verify your joining, then they give you a climb button. Then you can climb these coins, and these coins are instantly you can get. Just click on start, then come back to the bot and click on claim. It will be added to your main balance. And connect your wallet. How you can connect your wallet? Just click on connect, then go to the Tonekeeper. If you don't know what is Tonekeeper, just go to the Play Store and search for Tonekeeper. You can easily install and create a Web3 wallet on the Tonekeeper. After completing your registration on Tonekeeper, just click on connect. It will be redirected to the Tonekeeper its own. Then connect your wallet and come back, and then claim your coins. Very simple. These are some simple tasks available here. You can earn 3,000 coins for free for connecting your wallet. You can earn 2,000 coins for following their Twitter, and 1,000 coins for following their Telegram channel, and 2,000 points for tweeting their post. So that's how you can earn some extra coins. That's how I have also earned some extra coins. That's why I have around 8,000 points. And if you refer your friends, you will earn more coins here. And in the late run, here will be also more new tasks added. How you can get the notification of these tasks? you can easily join our Telegram channel, which link is given in the description. You can easily join our Telegram channel and stay updated for this kind of more offers like this. So don't miss this project. It is 100% verified and Telegram its own project, so don't miss this project. And join my Telegram channel for getting more offers, aired of offers like this. Thank you for watching this video.